Yesterday we learned about vowels, that are A, E, I, O, U. Read again. A, E, I, O, U. And today we will learn about our first vowel A. Okay, this is our first vowel. We learn it with the help of magic words. Okay, I have made a picture like this, a circle, between it I write vowel A and create some lines for join these letters with A. Okay, let us learn sound of A. A. Firstly we will write here A like this, A. Then join it with T. A, T, at. A, T, at. Again we will write A. Then our second letter is D. A, D, add. A, D, add. Again we will write A. Here A. And the third letter is G. This is first, second and third. A, G, egg. A, G, egg. And again we will write A. And here comes N. A, N, N. A, N, N. Again we will write A. And next is M. After N here M. A, M, M. A, M, M. Again write here A. And next letter is B. B. A, B, ab. A, B, ab. Again write here A. And after B here is P. Write here P. A, P, app. App. A, P, app. And for S, firstly we will write here A. S, as. A, S, as. Okay, and next is A, X. A, X, X. A, X, X. We will write again A, T, at. Okay, you have to do 2 lines for this work like this. Okay, now we will read them like this. A, T, at. A, D, add. A, G, egg. A, N, N. A, M, am. A, B, ab. A, P, app. A, S, as. A, X, X. Okay, you have to read and write all these words. Okay, bye everyone.